This is typical of an exam question you would expect to find on a GCSE mathematics paper. Find the mean of the following numbers: 10, 20, 30 and 40. We'll go on to the next slide to look at the solution. I've repeated the question here, and we need to know how to find the mean. And you can use the following formula, where we have m equals t over n, where m is the mean and t is the total of all of the numbers added up. And n is the number of values you've got. And of course, you've got 4. You've got the 10, the 20, the 30, and the 40. We can see that the total is going to equal the 10 plus the 20 plus the 30 and plus the 40. So we can write out that the total equals t, which in turn we know will equal 100. We now need to find out what the value of n is equal to. Therefore, we need to count the number of values we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different values. Consequently, we can write down that n is equal to 4. We can now use the formula, which is m equals t divided by n, which is 100 divided by 4. Consequently, m, which is the mean, will equal 25, which is the 100 divided by the 4. And of course, this 100 was taken from here, and this 4 was taken from this position. And the 100 divided by the 4 is clearly 25. So we have the mean, more accurately called the arithmetic mean.